Aus dem Auto aussteigen kann ich immer noch nicht.
You guys ready? Go right away?
Yes.
So.
Wir werden wahrscheinlich nicht noch lange Hochdeutsch sprechen.
So.
Wir werden wahrscheinlich nicht noch lange Hochdeutsch sprechen.
How long does it take just for asking? Because we get seasick sometimes.
아, 멀미가 나요.
멀미가 난다고요?
How long does it take just for asking? Because we get seasick sometimes.
Oh, it's only about 10 minutes. It should be
10
fine.
minutes? Do you think we can do that? Okay, we try.
Hey, just in case, in the
Yeah.
cars we have bags, so you can use that.
Oh, that's good.
If you guys follow me.
아, 오프로드.
오프로드.
재밌겠다.
It's very bumpy, right?
아, 멀미 날 만하다.
Very comfortable.
와.
Down, go back up.
Help me.
Playground for men, right?
When you do that?
So, Gregor, you were the fastest, so you get to decide where you want to sit first.
Honestly, he's our professional.
Go. So you guys, you first go.
Sure. You go.
역시 삼촌.
We'll get ready to go.
Well, it certainly adds to the experience. Well, it certainly adds to the experience.
Yes. And it's not about you, but I take the bag. It's
Sure, of course.
no offense. No offense.
For me, I feel good that everyone is. For me, I feel good that everyone is scared. Good car, right? So we'll get ready to go. So for our facility, we have 2 off-road courses. Since this is a taxi, I'll mix and match, go through the fun ones, and then we'll come back.
Oh my god.
So this would be the entrance for course A. So this would be the entrance for course A.
Should I close the...
It's up to you. If you like off-road, keep it down. So we call this road the twist because the car will go into a twist.
이게 운전하는 사람은 좀 덜 멀미를 덜 하는데
맞아,
저
맞아.
저런 길에서 타고 하는 사람들은 진짜 멀미 심한데.
Okay, after this, so now we're gonna go through some more bumpy roads. Since this is off-road, I'm not gonna step on anything. We're only gonna use engine power just to go through this. More than enough power. Very bumpy, right? Very comfortable. Very bumpy, right?
To make a milkshake.
Da kommt das Bulgogi. Genau.
그러니까.
Bulgogi lässt grüßen.
Now we go in the tunnel. Go in the tunnel. So if we look ahead, do I have to go left or do I have to go right?
왼쪽으로 가야 되는 거 아니야?
Left.
Left, right? Left, right?
Yeah.
But I'm gonna go right.
Oh my god.
어휴.
아니 안 뒤집히나?
So we're tilting about 35 degrees. This car has a very low center of gravity, so we can go up to 40 and also stay here all.
Oh my god.
That is.
Make sure the cameras don't hit the ground.
It never. What do we say? Tilt.
It'll never go. So up to 40 degrees, it's safe.
Wow. Jetzt kommt raus, genau wo ich Oh nee, dit komt uit, but that one is shit.
Nah, this is great.
We call this the stairs.
Oh my god.
And now,
Oh no.
more to the side.
Oh yes.
So we're gonna
But
go
that's
slow.
like James Bond, isn't it? I mean,
A little slow.
James.
이야.
So we're gonna go
that's
slow.
like James Bond, isn't it?
A little slow.
James.
This is
Wow, you...
this is nothing, right? What?
No, that's nothing. That's nothing.
That's,
No, that's nothing. That's nothing.
that's half of what we had, right?
Exactly. So we're gonna go again for another higher one.
Okay.
I'll try to go slow so you guys can feel it, okay?
I'm sure we will.
Go to the side.
Oh wow.
I'm sure we will.
Go to the side.
Oh wow.
That's more than 30 degrees, right?
어머 거의 완전 45도 되고 있는데. 와.
A little smaller, but here, I'll try to flip the car over.
Oh really?
Yeah,
Oh really?
yeah,
차가 뒤집히면 사고 아니에요?
Oh really?
yeah. See my front right wheels in the air?
You failed.
Come down, see my front right wheels in the air.
오.
Front right wheels in the air.
Wow.
Come down, go back up, and we'll try to flip the car over. We'll see.
어?
The low center of gravity prevents the car from. The low center of gravity prevents the car from. See? Whoa. See, low. See, low center of gravity.
Whoa!
Very safe. Whoa! Now we're on two wheels. You could feel the car rocking left and right. Write it down. Yeah!
Wow.
So we keep doing the left. Yeah. We'll go the other way. It feels a little bit different. It feels a little bit different when you're on the right.
I can tell you, it also feels different when you're on the left.
Very comfortable, right?
But that's so weird. Feels different when you're on the left.
Very comfortable, right?
That's so weird.
Help me! Help me!
We're gonna slowly come down.
You don't need to go to the Lotte world anymore.
No.
So you guys like roller coasters?
Yes.
You like roller coasters?
Yeah.
You like roller coasters?
Yeah.
아하.
Oh. Why do you say yes? Why do you do that? Why do you say yes? Why do you do that?
이거 살짝 떴다. 이거 살짝 떴겠다.
Why do you say yes? Why do you do that?
와 속도.
Say yes. Why do you do that?
You guys have fun?
Oh, this is great.
So this is it for the off-road taxi. You don't need the bags anymore.
다행이에요. 불고기를 지켰어요.
그러니까요. 지켰네요.
Thanks a lot for the off-road demonstration.
Very nice experience. The crazy car.
Like I said, it's a playground for men.
Yeah. Wir haben ja jetzt dem Driver unser Leben in der Hand.
Ja, das tun wir jetzt genau.
That will be the end taxi.
Das hat er nicht mal extra gemacht.
Nein, nein. 아, 드라이브랑 같이 하는 거야.
오, 야야야. 와.
It won't be that long, so not enough time to get car sick.
Hey, had ik zie toch ook kinderen? Let's race.
Be careful what you wish for. Oh, there's even LED illumination.
Oh, cool. Oh, yeah, it is.
So this car has 620.
Okay, please hold on. The cat.
Festhalten.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Stop.
그냥 걷더니 와.
야, 200을
그냥 걷더니.
Okay, braking.
It doesn't break.
Okay, braking.
It doesn't break.
And corner.
이야.
Wow.
That's how we should have done.
Yeah, that's how you do it, actually. Fantastic. Wow.
Oh, so geil! Wow!
Wow.
Oh, so geil! Wow!
이게 여기 아직 서킷 아니면 어디서도 이렇게 타면 안 되는 거고.
Are you okay?
Yeah, all good, all good. More than okay.
순식간이구나.
Okay, one more lap.
이야, 아우, 야야야야.
Hey, had ik zie toch ook geen.
Wow.
Oh, so geil! Wow!
너 언제 해봐 이런 걸? 야,
그러니까요.
Ik kan niet meer doen.
Ah ja, krans.
귀여워.
Last corner.
이 카메라 있어서 좀 더 하신 것 같은데 느낌이.
서비스.
좀 많이 나는데 연기가.
Finish.
진짜 재밌겠다.
최고야 진짜.
야,
Okay, dat is
Come back
constructive.
home.
Wow, wow, wow. Wow.
And I thought we did it. Ich habe gedacht, wir wären schnell gewesen, weil er so.
Ja, nicht wahr, oder?
Okay.
Wow.
That was crazy.
Jetzt musst du dir die Hände anschauen, wenn du ziehst. Das ist Adrenalin. Geht noch.
Oh,
Okay, come back home.
thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, hi.
Oh yeah, it smells.
It's, yes, I can understand.
Oh,
I told you. Gibt's noch Gummi an der Bühne? Wahnsinn.
Guck mal, wie heiß.
Ist heiß?
Bleib mal durch, mal durch.
Oh wow, ja.
Total heiß.
Wahnsinn. Wahnsinn.
Yeah,
That was very, very
crazy.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Have fun with the trip.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, thank you.
Danke.
Wie war's hinten? Krass, oder?
Ja, also ich fand es auch jetzt.
Brutal. Ja, eben, es war jetzt schon schnell.
Und auch das Slalom, weißt du, der erste Tag, unser Slalomkurs doch auch. Also ich meine, wir waren doch, also du, jetzt ehrlich gesagt, ich fand, du warst auch extrem schnell, wenn du fährst mit mir. Und er ist einfach noch mal schneller gefahren. Wir mussten doch bei der 200-Tafel mussten wir doch bremsen. Er ist noch bis zur 100
Erst
gefahren.
ich hab gedacht, wann bremst der?
Okay, braking.
Ja. Bremst der? Scheiße, er bremst nicht.
Hab ich auch gedacht.
Oh mein Gott.
Diese Vollbremsung.
Und der war 210, hat bei der 50er gebremst. Ja. Das war
Unglaublich.
krass.
Ah, ganz krass.
Ja.
Na gut, jetzt fahren wir so zurück.
Total aufgeladen.
아, 제대로 잘 놀았어, 진짜.
아드레날린이
very much.
네.
Danke.
Have a
해줬어요.
nice evening.
모두의 즐거움 MBC 에브리원